بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Learn Quran without grammar. Lesson number 25. Root words. There are 7 points of finding root words. Step 1 is remove any of the 3 alphabets alif, waw, ya, hamza, waw, ya if they are not part of the root word. For example, kitab. Remove alif, then root word is kaf, ta, ba. Ghafur, remove wow, then root word is ain, fa, ra. Alim, remove ya, and root word is ain, lam, mim. Second step is remove mim from the beginning. Maktal, then